Okay, here we go. We'll serve up our salad. Julia and I made a sesame ginger kind of an Asian salad to go with our meal today. And this is our salad that we have. And we have lettuce, and we have a splash of rice vinegar.
She likes the wing, she said.
You want a wing? Okay, this will be first.
Can I have a drumstick?
Yes, princess, you may have a
Thank you.
drumstick. There's a drumstick for Julia. Give Grandma a wing.
Mm-hmm. That's the timer. What was that
This
for?
is a
Thank you.
grilled sesame ginger.
Give me a small piece.
This is a grilled sesame ginger Asian chicken salad that we're doing for our.
Thank you.
You're welcome there.
This is course 2.
This is course 2. So what this is lettuce, and we put a splash of the rice vinegar on, and then we have a little dressing, little sesame ginger dressing.
So there's what's in it?
It's the sesame ginger marinade cut with oil and water.
Okay.
Makes a great salad dressing. There you have it. This is our salad round 2 today. It is a Asian flared sesame ginger grilled chicken salad. All right. What do you think, Grandma?
Oh, yes, this is, oh, wow.
Cool.
Cool, yes.
I'll take a